It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding at the beginning of a video? What? Yes. I had leftover resin from Tuesday's video and I popped it into this new mold that I wanted to show you guys before we do today's video. Because I got some new molds. And it is this... I purchased it as a gift tag mold set. This is actually for Stanley cups. It's cute. It turned out super cute. I'm still going to use it, obviously, as a Christmas gift tag mold. But apparently this is supposed to go on, like, I don't have a Stanley. Do you guys have Stanley? It's supposed to go on a Stanley cup, and this is where the straw comes out, and I don't know what it's for. But I'm going to use this for Christmas gift tags, for making permanent gift tags that we can reuse every year. So that's one mold. And then this one is really cool. I can't wait to play with this. This is a crystal ball mold. But as it is Christmas, I bet you guys can see what I want to do with it. So it comes with the base. Crystal ball base. Okay. I'm kind of pissed off that this is, or was, put into there so terribly, but it's not, it doesn't look like it's too out of shape. This reminds me of Epcot at Disney, but yeah, so it goes on like that. This will absolutely also be cracked out at for Halloween, but I want to make a little snow globe with it. I'm probably not going to use this with the, I'm probably just going to make the base and then make a snow globe like I did 2 years ago. I don't know. I'll link that video right here in the corner. Yes, so that one I'm probably going to do next week. For one of next week's videos, probably. This is what I want to play with today. Apologies for the crinkling. I'm going to pull this over here so you don't have to listen to it. Ugh. Oh, and it's the terrible kind that just sticks to the silicone too. Get off of there. Okay. Look, see? It's stuck to the frickin' silicone. Okay. Ornament molds. These are so cute. They're very, very thin, which I like, which means it's not going to take a whole lot of resin. And they are different shapes and sizes for them. So I'm so excited about that. Plus, light bulb. Which brings me to the last set of molds that I ordered, which I'm honestly a little taken aback because I did look at the size of these, or what they were claiming was the size on Amazon, but these do not look like they were advertised on Amazon to be as far as the size. But I got some little light bulb molds. They're very cute. I'm excited to try them out. Obviously, they are for fondant and not, you know, resin. But, again, as long as you're using them for resin and you keep using them for resin and you never use them for any kind of food item, you should be good. But I'm excited to try these. They are matte, so whatever I make in them will probably... if I want them to be glossy, I'll have to gloss them up, but I kind of like the idea of them being matte. I'm sure you could probably guess where I'm going with this one, but if not, stay tuned. That'll be coming up probably in 12 days of Christmas. But today, we are focusing on these little ornament molds. I'm probably going to make both sets. Let me zoom this out a bit. Move this over. There we go. So I'm probably going to make both sets. I think they're very, very cute. I'm excited to see how they turn out. I don't know what colors I want to do. Well, I'll tell you what I kind of want to do. I kind of want to take my gold alcohol ink. I'm going to have to take this off because it's warped and it causes these to not lay flat. There we go. I kind of want to take my gold alcohol ink and just kind of like put drops in and then pour resin in. And for the resin, I kind of want to do like a turquoise blue. Or maybe a silver. I'm not sure. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do just yet. But I'm excited to play with this mold set. I really am excited to see how they turn out. These would also, I was thinking, make great name tags, gift tags for presents. So we might try those later down the road. But this was a very long intro. I'm going to get my resin warmed up, get this poured, and then my voice will be back for the demolding. Okay? All right, let's go. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. I just took the rest of the resin and put it in this. So let's see how these turned out. They're still a little bit bendy, but oh my goodness. That is so cool. Okay. Where can I put these so they can cure? Over there. These turned out great. Well, this is what the ornaments are going to look like, I guess. Ooh. Oh, that one's really cool looking. What do you guys think? Oh, I love it. Okay, I'm not going to bonus unmold all of these. But yeah, it looks really cool. I'm excited for the ornaments. All right, friends. These are still bendy. Because these are thinner pieces, it is going to take them quite a lot longer to cure fully, but I'm so excited to see how these turned out. Wow. That is very cool. Are you guys seeing the depth to that? Oh, oh, it's beautiful. Okay. Wow. Oh, I guess I could put it right here, huh? I love the shapes of these too. Wow. You see the depth there? Like right there? This is so pretty. And it seemed like the resin picked up all of the gold that I put into there. I do have one little bit right here in this tip. Oh, that one's cool looking. Ooh, I like that one. Ooh. Yeah, these are really cool. I think I'm going to save the skinny one for last because I think it's probably going to be my favorite. The big star. Oh, that's just too cool. Okay. Oh, I love it. Ah, okay. All right, you guys, that is today's video. I think these turned out amazing. Again, they do need some more time. They're still pretty bendy, but I love the way they turned out. This was a fun little experiment for me. I've never tried this technique before. I might have to do it again, but with different alcohol inks. Anyway, that's today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.